Okay, so if you're going to check and see what mappings someone has, the first thing you need to do is get into their department, not in the college as a whole, but into their department. So I'm going to show you the math department as an example. So you want to see, should be noted, you have to be data steward to do this. So you're data steward, you're in CMath, you go into PSlows and assessments, and then you go look at the curriculum map. Then, of course, nothing appears. If you grab PSlows, things appear. And so you can see that a bunch of these classes don't go to any of these. There's a scroll bar over here, which brings you kind of over to some stuff. Right. And so you can just click or unclick one of these boxes to create a mapping. Somehow Math 28 got missed in the it provides natural sciences and also information competency and problem solving and reasoning. It should be noted that it's a little weird to click all these. That means that a student who exceeds all of these gets counted 3 times towards knowing problem solving. But yeah, whatever. So that's how you would adjust PSlow mappings. Now things get a little weirder when you try PSlows, because you go here and obviously select PSlows and it says no PSlows are found. And even though it's showing the math AST here, so the problem there is that there are no actual math PSlows. There are program slows for the AST. So you have to select that from over here in the programs. And then in here you'll notice, okay, so there's 22 and 24 from computer programming, and then Calc 1 and Calc 2 and Calc 3 and Math 2. The issue here, and the thing I need to address, is that there is no Math 28 in here, and there's also this 24 which shouldn't be in there. So the reason that I think those are wrong is that I'm like, well, for one thing, I fiddled with this just the other day, so I happen to remember what's in the program. But you go into Curricunet and you look, and sure enough, Math 20 or CC Programming 22 is in here. Physics 5A is in here as an elective. Math 2 is in here as an elective. So those are electives, right? But they still get mapped. Math 28 is in here as an elective, so it should be in there. And I don't see a Programming 24, so I don't know why that's in here anyway. So I need to figure out a way to remove 24 from here and instead put Math 28 in and map it to the slows. So the way you do that is obviously not from here for some reason. You can explore this menu all you like. I couldn't find a way to do it. The thing you need to do is you need to change which classes are linked to the degree. So you go into the Organizational Management tab, and then you go into the Courses and Context Groups tab, and then you select this course group, and then you hit Show Links, and you can see that it's linked to all these classes. 24 is one of the classes it's linked to, and 28 isn't in here. You can't change these in here. So what you need to do is you need to hit Link Courses, and then to link a course, you need to go find it. So you find the discipline, and 28 I want to link. And please note, there are also inactive courses in here. You would like to link the active one, obviously, and it won't let you link courses twice. So there are a whole bunch of math courses that are already in the degree, so those can't also be linked. So I got 28 linked now, and I need to take 24 out. So you just click 24 and say you'll remove it. Okay, now that I've changed which courses are linked, I can close, and then I can check the links to see that it worked. And so I have Programming 22, no Programming 24, and Math 28. So I've fixed the link. Then I need to go back into PSlows and assessments. Then I need to go back into Curriculum Map. Then I need to again select the AST program. And then I need to go down here and find Math 28 and think to myself, does using series and Laplace transform demonstrate a productive disposition? Does it allow them to organize information? It definitely allows problem solving. I'm going to say it represents productive disposition as well. Using differential equations for real life means everything here, and solving differential equations, I think, requires organization and problem solving, and probably also this demonstrating productive disposition. So those take you, there's no save button here or anything, so we're done. That's it.